Assalamualaikum from the Educators Mother Campus, Class 4 Mathematics. The topic which we are going to explain is measurement, Unit number 5, Chapter number 9, Exercise 9.1. In this exercise, we are going to learn about the units, different units of length. That how can we measure the length? For measuring the length, we mostly use the three units, which is kilometer, meter, and centimeter. The most commonly used units are kilometer, meter, and centimeter. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. These three units are used to measure the length of an object. If the length is there is so much distance between an object, then we use the kilometer. If the distance is down little, your shortest distance, we use meter. And for centimeter, we use centimeter to measure a very small distance, and for the distance which is smaller than centimeter will come into the millimeters. Now in your book there is question number 1, which are the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. Just need to put the units kilometer, meter, and centimeter according to the given objects. Then in question number 2 you have converts into meters. आपको हमारे पास किलोमीटर में डिस्टेंस दिया होगा जिसको आपने मीटर्स में चेंज करना है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज़ 5 kilometer and 216 meters. You have to convert that unit into the meters. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So we simply, for moving to the greatest to a smallest unit, we always multiply that numbers which is given. So there in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. So in 5 kilometers, how many meters are there? To find that, we simply multiply 1,000 with the given number. We multiply by 5, multiply by 1,000, and this value is already in the meters. So we have to add this value to obtain the given output. So here we multiply 5 multiplied by 1,000, which is equal to 5,000 meters. Then we add 216 into that to get the final outcome, which is 512, which is 5,216 meters. And here this is question number 1, question number 2, part D, which is 2.3 kilometer. To solve that, first we are going to convert that decimal number into the fraction. For that, we remove the point, decimal point, and put 1 in the place of that point under the as a denominator. Then after that, how many digits we have in the place, decimal place, we just put the 0 down in the numerator. We have one digit in the decimal place, so we put 1 0, which become 10. Then we need to convert kilometer into meter, so we know that in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. So we simply multiply 23 by 10 with 1,000. There is 1 0 and this 0, they got cancelled, and then we multiply 23 with 100. After multiplying, the final outcome which we get is 2300 meters. That's how you have to solve all the question from question number 2, converts into meters. Then in question number 3, you have to convert the meters into centimeter. I tell you before, then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Question A has 6 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then how many centimeters are there in 6 meters? So for finding that, we need to multiply 100 with the given number. The given number is 6. Then 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600 centimeter. And there's another question which is part D, which is 8.9 meters. For that, first we need to convert the decimal into fraction. For that, we use the 1 in place of a decimal point and put the 0 according to the number of digits we have in the decimal place. So after doing that, we get 89 by 100 by 10, sorry. Then we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we simply multiply 89 by 10 with 100. There is 1 0 and this 0, they got cancelled up, and then we get 89 multiplied by 10. To get the final answer, we need to multiply 89 with 10, which is equal to 890 centimeters. That's how you solve the question number 3, all the part given on your book. And the last one is question number 4, which are converts into millimeters. At here, you converts the centimeter into millimeters. The question A is 5 centimeter and 10 millimeter. You know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we simply, there are 10 millimeter in 1 centimeter. To get that answer, we multiply 5 with 10 to convert it into millimeter. Then to gain the final outcome, there is the 10 also, which is an already millimeter. So we add this 10 millimeter in that answer. When we multiply by 5 with 10, we get 50 millimeters. Then we add this 10 millimeter in that 50 millimeter, and it will become 60 millimeter. Then 5 centimeter and 10 millimeter is equal to 60 millimeter. Then question for part D, 3.8 centimeter. First, we are going to convert that fraction into that decimal number into a fraction. For that, we use 1 in place of a decimal point and add this the 0 according to the number in the decimal place. After doing that, we get 38 divided by 10. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. To get the final answer, we multiply 38 by 10 with 10 meter, 0 with 0. They both cut out each other, and then the final answer which we get is 38. Is that how you solve the question number 4, all the part of that on your NEET notebooks?